Hi, I'm Rick DeBella from Megger. I'm the National Account Sales Manager and I've been with the company for about 28 years now. I've held various positions including Product Manager. Megger's been in business for over 100 years. Our primary product line is the insulation testers. This model goes up to 10 kV. It has storage capability with an RS-232 and also USB ports for downloading. Plug it in the side here, or you could use it battery operated. The instrument has two buttons here for adjusting the timer, which is displayed up here. It also displays what the battery condition is here in this graphic presentation, and it also mentions what test voltage you have over there as well. When you turn it on, it'll show you the digital display and it'll show you the analog equivalent to it. Okay, it's basically telling me I have 250 volts that are putting in there, and the timer's timing out how long the test is going to be. That timer, I could also adjust it to shut off the entire instrument after a period of time. You'll see it has both the analog and the digital display, as I mentioned earlier. And the 10 kV, it'll go to 35 teraohms as compared to 15 teraohms with the other 5 kV equivalent model. When I press the test button, when the test is complete and I press the test button, the red light would go off and it'll go into an automatic discharge mode. The display will convert default to a voltmeter and you'll be able to see the voltage go down to 0, and then you know it's safe to remove your leads at that time. I could also, while I'm doing the test, change the display from mega ohm resistance to leakage current just by pressing a button, and I'd be able to see what the leakage current is at the same time. Sometimes people are looking for test voltages that are going to go in between 250, 500, and 1000 volts. This has a unique capability of pressing this button and this button simultaneously, and you could change the voltage in 10 volt increments up to 1000 volts. And then from 1000 volts to 10 kV or 5 kV, if you select that model, it'll be in 25 volt increments all the way up. The other thing you could do with this model is you could have automatic step voltage testing. And what it'll do is it'll increase the voltage after 1 minute to the next category. If I have 5 kV, it'll be in 1000 volt increments in 5 steps. And down here you'll be able to see what was the insulation resistance at 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and the 5th minute will be in a larger display. The other thing that's capable of doing, besides step voltage testing, is doing automatic polarization index. It'll automatically give you a PI number after you've completed a 10-minute test, and you don't have to do any calculations. It calculates it automatically. The other test it would do is a dielectric absorption ratio test, a DAR test, which is a 1-minute test. And the same thing occurs with that. It will give you the DAR after a 1-minute test. The MIT1020 is both line powered and also battery operated. The measurements on it could go up to 35 teraohms, both analog and digital. It's Cat 4 rated to 600 volts. It does automatic dielectric absorption ratio testing, polarization index testing, step voltage testing, and dielectric discharge test as well. It has an RS-232 and a USB download capability. It's ingress protected to IP65. It has 3 milliamps on the output short circuit current for quick tests. The IEEE standard 43-2000 states that test voltages up to 10 kV are recommended for windings rated greater than 12 kV. A couple of special features that this product has is the burn capability. We also have an alarm limit mode where you can set a maximum insulation resistance, and if it goes above that, it'll make a tone. Press a button here and it'll store all the information that you've done during your test. It comes with the software that you could download it and also have your regular reports that you can transpose from it. For additional information, please contact your Tec-Equipment product specialist.